Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to remove the echo from your audio in Audacity. So first of all, open Audacity and you can see I already imported my track in the Audacity. Select all of your audio by pressing Ctrl+A and then go to the effects, go to the noise removal and repair, click noise reduction and select get noise profile. Then go to the effects again, select noise removal and repair, click on noise reduction and then click OK. So here it is.
Most real estate investment trusts or REITs in short are today in a strong position to keep growing their dividend payments.
Then select all of your audio again and then go to the effects, go to the volume and compression, select normalize and click apply and then select again all of your audio, go to the volume and compression and select compressor and then apply. Go to the effects again, volume and compression, select limiter and apply soft limit.
Most real estate investment trusts or REITs in short are today in a strong position to keep growing their dividend payments.
And the last part is go to the effects, select volume and compression, go to the amplify and lower down a voice little bit so it can lower down the echo. We can select 7.7 and
Most
then
real estate investment trusts or REITs in short are today in a strong position to keep growing their.
So that's how you can remove the echo from your audio in Audacity. Thank you.